Assalamualaikum and hello. I am Alishba Ahmed Arain and I am here to teach you Urdu language through my secret personal tricks and tips. Before I tell you about my education, let me tell you about my teaching methodology. I teach students in very polite way and I teach students according to their learning abilities. Also, I like to use technology in my teachings and I teach in all ages at all levels. I particularly work on reading, writing, and speaking skills. Moreover, I am a student of first year LLB at University of London. I am a motivational speaker, trainer, and career counselor. You can search me on YouTube as Alishba Ahmed Arain. This is how you will get the idea about my speaking and teaching skills. Punjabi is my native language, Urdu is my mother tongue, and I am also an Urdu debater. So let's talk a little bit in Urdu. अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप बिल्कुल खैरियत से होंगे। अगर आप ढूंढ रहे हैं कोई ऐसा ट्यूटर जो आपको उर्दू बहुत ही अच्छे और निराले अंदाज में सिखा सके तो एक दफ़ा मुझसे कांटेक्ट करके ज़रूर देखिएगा, मैं आपके लिए हाजिर हूँ। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ या अपने स्कूल में इफ़ेक्टिवली अदब के अंदाज में उर्दू बोल सकें तो मैं आपके लिए हाजिर हूँ। Assalamualaikum and hello, I am Alishba Ahmed Arain. If you are looking in public speaking confidence, whether it is a speech competition, debate competition, any presentation, any office presentation, any conversation or anything on any board, and you are looking for a coach who can make you perfect speaker and gives you secret tips to speak confidently in public, then don't feel hesitation, just contact me once. Assalamualaikum and hello, I am Alishba Ahmed Arain. If you or your child is not able to stay consistent in studies and can't focus on studies, due to which you or your child is worried about exams or any test, do contact me. I will be with you while you are studying. I will make schedules for you according to your syllabus and will be with you for complete practice to score high in your exams. If you need guidance, daily motivation and regular basis direction, just do contact me now. Assalamualaikum and hello, I am Alishba Ahmed Arain. Are you lacking self-confidence? Are you going through any stress? Are you lacking motivation? Do you want to make your life productive? Do you want to bring change in your life? Do you want to make your parents proud? Do you want to set a value of you in society? Hey, just contact me. I have a secret 30 days life-changing challenge. We will have fun, motivation, teachings, activities, learnings, and much more. Just do contact me and change your life in just 30 days. And after that, you will be able to enjoy your life and you will start loving your life.